Hey everybody, so I'm out here working with Terry and he's actually removing all the rub marks that was the rubber that was caked on, and he's having to use like a really light grade solvent that we use, we call Acrosol. And so as you can see, he's going and cleaning the sides of the body, removing all the stickiness from it, and then he's also started to apply the bulb seal treatment and letting it absorb in for the first time, and that comes out as like a spray foam mousse. And it's an anti-static, friction, UV repellent, and water repellent. So it does multiple things. So in a lot of times, I'll show you a picture of the can here real quick. This is one of the products that we use, the Protect All brand. We also use another one that comes in a spray bottle, but that's made to spray and chemically treat those seals to protect them. So again, he's applied the first coating on it, and then he'll come back and do a second coating and let it really absorb into it really good. Thanks so much for watching.